Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet tissue box cover with from the bottom. How to crochet from the bottom part. Okay, this pattern why we are doing from bottom. Normally we'll do from the top, isn't it? This one we are doing from bottom because we want this pattern to go up like this. If you do from here coming down, this pattern will be like upside down. So this way the pattern will grow on top like that, so it will look so pretty like this. Okay, I use green color with the pink, so it looks like a leaf and a flower. Okay, let's start. Okay, we need two colors because I'm going to make with two colors. This is the box. Now I'm going to make the chain for around this box. Okay, the chain is 118 chain. I'm going to make 118 chain because we are going to do from bottom. Okay, completed 118 chain. So now we slip stitch the first chain, make 3 chain. I'm going to make 3. This one is considered one double crochet, so I'm going to make another 2 more double crochet. Then I'm going to make these 3 double crochet together. Okay, this is for the 4 corner of the box. 4 corner of the box we are going to decrease 3 together. Okay, now I'm going to make 1 double crochet in 19 stitches chain. 1 double crochet in 19 chain. Okay, 19 double crochet finished already. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochet together. 1 2 3 together. We have the second corner. Okay, after this we are going to make 1 double crochet in 34th chain. 1 double crochet in 34 chain. Okay, completed 34 double crochet. Now we are going to make 3 double crochet together. This is the third corner. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet in 19 chain. Okay, I completed 19 double crochet. Then I'm going to make the last corner one, 3 together. Okay, the balance 34 chain, we are going to make 1 double crochet in each. Okay, completed 34 double crochet and I slip stitch with the first 3 chain one. Okay, now I'm going to make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Just now the four corner, this part will go under the box. It will go under the box here. Okay, 1/2 double crochet in each stitches complete. So join with 2 slip stitch, But when I'm in slip stitch, I'll bring over the next color. Okay, so okay, one chain. Then I'm going to make 5 single crochet. One single crochet in 5 stitches. Okay, like this. Okay, we got 5 stitches here. Single crochet. Then we are going to make 2 chain. Skip 2. Then we are going to make 1 V stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. This is called V stitch. Then 2 chain. Again we skip 2. We are going to skip 2 stitches. Then make 1 single crochet in 5 stitches. 2 chain, skip 2 and 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. Then 2 chain, skip 2, we are going to make 1 single crochet in 5 stitches. We are going to repeat this all over again. Okay. Repeat this. Okay, complete this one. Look at this. Okay, 5 chain, 5 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, like this pattern. Just continue doing the whole row like that. Then now I'm going to slip stitch with the first single crochet. Then I'm going to pull in the next color, the pink color. Okay, okay, now I'm going to slip stitch into the middle of 5 single crochet. You see, like this. Then from here I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the 2 chain space. 1 2 3. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Then I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the chain space. 1 2 3. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Then I'm going to make in the 2 chain space, I'm going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, look at this. In the third single crochet, I slip stitch this pink color here. Then from here, in the chain space 3, in the double crochet 1, in the chain space 3, in the double crochet 1, in the chain space 3. Now we are going to slip stitch in the middle of the 5 single crochet, like this. Then from here we are going to make 3 double crochet in the chain space. Then 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Then again 3 double crochet in the chain space. Then 1 double crochet in the double crochet. Then 3 double crochet in the chain space. We are going to repeat this. Then single crochet in the middle of 5 single crochet. Can you see this? It's like a flower. That's why I combine green and pink to look like a flower. Repeat this all over the row. Okay, we completed. Okay, now we are going to single crochet in the slip stitch in the third middle of the green color 5 single crochet. So now I'm going to pull in the green color. because next row we are going to use this color like this. Okay, from here I'm going to make 4 chain, then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in the same place. Okay, here, see, so this is V-stitch, consider V-stitch. Then from here we are going to make 2 chain, we are going to skip 3 double crochet, then we are going to make 5 single crochet. 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 single crochet, we are going to make 2 chain, then we are going to make 1 V-stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the single crochet of previous row. Okay, 2 chain, skip 3 double crochet and 1 single crochet in 5 stitches. So 2 chain we are going to make. This is V-stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. Okay, 2 chain, skip 3, 1 single crochet in 5. So you are going to repeat these 2 rows continuously. We'll be doing these 2 rows repeatedly, this green and this pink color. So after this green you will get, so whatever the length you require, you just do the length for your size of your box. So once I complete the height, here I'll show the front part. Okay, I completed 10 rows here. Okay, 10 rows. Now I'm going to slip stitch, then make 2 chain. I'm going to make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. The green color yarn, cut it off, you won't be using it anymore. Leave a tail and hide it somewhere. So now we will do 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, complete 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. So join with slip stitch. Okay, we completed 1/2 double crochet. So now I've from the middle I got marking here 4 side, 4 corner. So at this 4 corner we are going to reduce from the 4 corner. Okay, now let me show you. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochet together. Then I make 2 chain, 3 double crochet together, two chain, okay. Now we are in the corner, isn't it? Here 2 chain, take out the marking. I'm going to make 3 together. Okay, here we make 2 chain, but in the corner we are not going to make two chain. This is how we decrease. Okay, now we are going to make 2 chain and 3 together till the marking here. Okay, now we are over here already in the second corner. Going to three together, then we make no chain here. Again we are going to make three together. In the four corner we will make 2 times three together without any chain between them. So now 2 chain, we are going to make 3 together again till the next corner. Okay, we are in the another corner, the third corner. So we can see this one, the cluster, we have 5 here. Okay, the other side we have 13. So you maintain with that. Now we are going to make 2 together, 3 together 2 times without chain in the between them. Okay, now 2 chain, we are going to make 3 together, till the next corner. Okay, we are in the last corner. We are going to make 3 together 2 times without any chain. So 3 together with 2 chains till the end. Okay, join with complete join with this one. Now we are going into the chain space. We are going to make 3 chain and 2 together, 3 together. So 3 together. This time we are going to make 1 chain. Okay, 1 chain. We are going to repeat. Now in the corner, 3 together. This side. See, just now we did 2. Now here and here. No chain here. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Okay, so we will be decreasing, so the shape will go flat like this on the tissue box, like this. Okay, okay, do it all around like that. Okay, look now, it all decreasing this way. The 4 corner we always without any chain, we decrease from here to here. So both corners we will be decreasing the stitches. Okay, do until whatever the hole you wanted. Okay, I already almost complete. I'm going to make one last row with half double crochet. This row, this one, the cluster, I did 1 2 3 4 5 rows. Okay, I decrease in the corner. We will see this one here, 2 clusters together like that in 4 corners. Now I'm going to make 1 half double crochet to complete. In the chain space I'm going to make 2 and the cluster 1. So we'll be reducing like this. Okay, okay, 1 half double crochet in the 4 corners. I decrease 3 together. So I'll have the smaller hole here. Okay, now you see this one, the cluster stitch. We got 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Then the pattern here, you see, like this. And in the back we have the, see, we got, like, we can tuck in the into the box. Okay, we got, if you want extra, you can do another one more round also in this. Okay, I hope this is should be okay already. Okay, I hope that you all will give a try. Thank you for watching. Thank you.